Adam here from Solar and Sap. We just picked up the brand new Quintrex Top Ender Pro. We'll start with doing a few modifications that we would to our average boats. At the start, we'll put a 40 litre water tank up the front here, which will run down to the washdown pump at the back. Get blood and guts all over your chopping board or motor, just give it a quick hose down. In front here, we're going to put a 40 to 60 litre compressor fridge, unsure which brand as yet. Everything that's sort of going to be running here today will be the 125 amp hour BTEC lithium by Enerdrive. Charging the system will be the Enerdrive Plus DC to DC, which we will charge from the boat's alternator or a vehicle's alternator combined into one. So there is also a fair chance that we're going to do some more modifications to the boat. So all we can do is see what happens and we'll go from there.